cake today with that move. Just stay on. We'll do the market wrap and come back to you for a longer conversation on markets forward. But for the time being, we're looking at a green screen where the headline is that we couldn't do 25,000 today on the Nifty, but the mid-cap market is alive and kicking and actually completely thriving. To start off with the Nifty, the reason things flattened out is because the banking surge didn't last. The bank Nifty is also quite flat. Having said that, gainers of the day include Divis Laboratories, about 3% higher, BPCL 3%, L&T had a good session. SBI managed to buck that trend. I mean, most of the other banks flattened out, but IndusInd Bank and SBI, they're still closing out in positive. The others, HDFC Bank, for instance, down about 1%. ICICI Bank lost a lot of the momentum. It was up 3% in the morning, but the closing rates are close to just about 0.3% on the higher side. Reliance managed to close out in positive, about 0.6% up. You have stocks like Shriram Finance holding out with some gains. The profit booking side was basically IT and select consumer stocks. So Titan down 2%, ITC down 1.5%. And then beyond banks, of course, some of the IT names that didn't do quite well. Bell's gone, but Prashant, more about the mid-cap market once again today.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And, very, very strong moves across many of these names. So you mentioned the railway names, RVNL, IRFC, RITES, the banking ones, Bandhan, PNB, but there were also City Union Bank, Karnataka Bank, which did very well. I mentioned Voltamp, but you had Mazgaon Dock, which was a sharp mover, higher 10%. There was KNR Construction, which was a very big mover. Keynes, which reported numbers with the management with us. NBCC did very well today. You had some of these consumer names, Rupa, Liberty Shoes, saw very big moves. Some of these wealth management companies coming through. So Novama, which reported numbers, Super Performance, 361 did very well. And then you had names like EID, Paddy, CAMS. I could go on, but you get an idea about the broader market strength that we had today. Market breadth really strong once again, with about 1,600 stocks higher and about 1,100 stocks which were lower. So not completely one way, not very, very one-sided, but comfortably in the green as far as market breadth is concerned. We'll take your leave. It's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. Markets Forward comes up next in just a bit. Stay with us.